Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss about some questions based on Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So the first question: in a equilateral triangle, sides are equal to A. Find altitude and area. Of the triangle. It is a equilateral triangle of side A. Look the figure. It is A and A. It is the altitude. Solution: AB, BC, AC equal to A. AD perpendicular to BC. Okay. Here BD equal to DC, that is A by 2. Already indicated in the figure. Okay. Now take the right angle triangle ABD. In a right angle triangle ABD, here it is. AB is equal to A, BD is equal to A by 2. Now AD is equal to AD square minus BD square under root. It is A square A by 2 whole square is equal to x square minus s square by 4. Clear? This equal to root 3 by A by 2. AD is equal to. So now the altitude is your root 3 A by 2. Now find out the area. For area, A is equal to half base into height. Half base is your A, height is root 3 by 2A. That is root 3 by 4 and side square. So this is your area. That is your altitude. AD is equal to root 3A by 2. Okay. For example, question number 2, that is ABC is a right angle triangle at C equal 90 degree. Here BC is equal to A, CA is equal to B, and AB is equal to your C. BC is equal to A, AB is equal to C, and AC is equal to B. PB the perpendicular from C on AB. It is perpendicular from C on AB. Okay. Prove that CP equal to AB and 1 by P square equal to 1 by S square plus 1 by B square. So you have to prove 1 by 1. First, you have to prove CP is equal to AB. Clear? It is right angle triangles. Find out first area. Area of ABC. It has A1 half base into height. BC into AC. Here BC is equal to A and AC is equal to B. It means half AB. It is one way to find out the area of the right angle triangles ABC. Second way, again, area of the triangle ABC, that A2. It is your base, it is your perpendicular. So half base into integral D, okay? CD, half C into B. Another way to find out the area of the triangle ABC. Now these two areas are equal. here A1 equal to A2, A1 is your half AB, it is your half CP, cancelling the factor half, so AB is equal to CP. Okay, so one bit is proved already. Now come to the second bit. Okay, what is your second bit? Look here, second bit is 1 by p square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. In right angle triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square is your C, AC square is equal to B square, and BC is equal to A square. Now convert C in term of P. Okay. From equation CP is equal to AB. Okay. Yes, C is equal to AB by B. Putting in these equations, it is 1. C is equal to AB by P. It is C square, remember. It is your A square B square by P square, B square plus A square. Okay. Now 1 by P square equal to A square B square by A square B square. 1 by P square equal to A square by A square B square plus B square by A square B square. Cancelling factor B square here and here A square. That implies that 1 by P square equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. This is your proof of second bit. Next, take another example. Prove that the 3 times of the square of the any side of the equilateral triangle is equal to the 4 times square of the altitude. Okay. It is a solution. Draw equilateral triangle ABC. It is your altitude AD. Okay. Here in triangle ABC, AB, BC equal to AC, and AD perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABD and ACD, AB equal to AC, angle B equal to C, third one ADB equal to ACD equal to your angle. Okay. So two triangles are congruent. Which one? ABD and ACD. So the two triangles ABD and ACD are congruent. ABC congruent to ACD. At the two triangular congruence, here BD is equal to DC. Okay. As BD is equal to DC, this equal to BD equal to DC, this equal to half of DC. Clear? Now take this triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. Replace the BD in terms of BC, that is this is equal to the whole square, then it is AD square. It is AD square. It is your BC square by 4 plus AD square. It is your AB square. As AB equal to BC equal to AC, now replace the side BC in term of AB. It is your AB square by 4. It is your AD square. It is your AB square. Now, taking the LCM, please. 4 AB square minus AB square by 4 equal to AD square. Okay, LCM now. 4 AB square minus AD square by 4, that is equal to AD square. Okay. Now it is your 3 AB square equal to 4 AD square. Proved.